My name is Tonja Newmeyer, and I'm proud to be a computer control machine operator at Gorman-Rupp. I've been part of the machine shop team for 8 years. My job starts with understanding the blueprint. Dimensions, tolerances, and surface finishes all guide how a part is made. Once I've reviewed the plan, I set up the CNC machine with the right fixtures, tooling, programs, and lifting equipment to handle the job safely and accurately. As the machine runs, I monitor tool wear, speeds, and feeds to keep everything running at peak performance. I use precision measuring tools to verify dimensions, make real-time adjustments, and ensure every part reflects the quality Gorman-Rupp is known for, from critical specs to final finish and appearance. I'm a Gorman-Rupp computer control machine operator, and we are the pump people.